We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the 8-inch purple plasma ball by Tradopia. This plasma ball is a glass sphere measuring 8 inches in diameter, designed to provide an immersive sensory experience with its vivid purple and violet lightning patterns. It is a novelty lamp that is both touch and sound sensitive, making it an engaging decorative piece for homes, offices, or classrooms. The product appeals to a wide range of users, from science students to those seeking nostalgic or unique gifts. The plasma ball is praised for its spellbinding visual effects, especially in the dark, where its brilliant colors and dynamic patterns create a captivating atmosphere. Many users appreciate the size of the ball, noting that it is larger than it appears in pictures, which adds to its visual impact. The glass construction combined with a resin base gives it an Art Deco style that fits well with various decor themes. One of the standout features is its audio sensitivity. When switched to audio mode, the plasma ball reacts to music or ambient sound, causing the plasma filaments inside to dance in rhythm with the beat. This feature is especially appreciated by music lovers and adds an interactive element that differentiates it from simpler plasma lamps. Users have reported that this function brings a unique experience, literally electrifying the atmosphere and making it a special gift for those who cherish music. The plasma ball is also highly tactile. Touching the glass surface causes the plasma streams to concentrate towards the point of contact, providing a hands-on experience that fascinates both children and adults. This interactive aspect makes it a popular educational tool for students curious about electricity and plasma physics, as well as a fun gadget for casual users. In terms of usability, the plasma ball is straightforward to operate. It plugs into a power source and has a switch to toggle between normal plasma mode and audio mode. However, some users have reported issues with the power adapter not being included or difficulty in plugging it in, which can be a frustrating experience, especially when given as a gift. It is advisable to check the package contents carefully and ensure compatibility with local power outlets. Durability is a mixed point among users. While the plasma ball works well upon initial use, some reviews mention that it may not last long if used continuously for extended periods. It is recommended to avoid leaving it on for long durations to preserve its lifespan. Despite this, many users find it reliable enough for occasional use and display. The plasma ball's weight is approximately 1.47 pounds, making it stable enough to sit securely on a desk or shelf without risk of tipping over easily. Its dimensions are 8.07 inches in length, 5.12 inches in width, and 12.2 inches in height, which is a comfortable size for both display and interaction. From a gifting perspective, the plasma ball has been well received. It evokes childhood memories for many adults who always wanted one of these as kids. Parents have found it to be a hit with their children, especially with the added audio function that makes it more engaging than traditional plasma balls. It is suitable for all ages and occasions such as birthdays, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. On the downside, some users have experienced issues with the absence of a power adapter or instructions, which can diminish the unboxing experience and usability. Additionally, the plasma ball is not intended for heavy continuous use, so those expecting a permanent lighting fixture may be disappointed. It is more of a novelty and interactive decorative piece rather than a long-term lighting solution. Overall, the 8-inch purple plasma ball by Tradopia is a fascinating and visually stunning gadget that combines science, art, and entertainment. Its interactive features, especially the sound sensitivity, set it apart from other plasma lamps. It is ideal for those who enjoy unique lighting effects, want to spark curiosity in science, or seek a nostalgic yet modern decorative item. If you own this plasma ball, please share your experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This plasma ball is a great addition to any collection of novelty gadgets or science-themed decor,